Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be teaching how to create an HTML form. So if you are new here, just subscribe, click the notification button so when I upload any new video you'll be notified. Without further delay, let's get started. So we are going to start by creating our default HTML structure. I'm just going to name the form. So we start with the form tag. Form. It is in this section we are going to be writing all of our codes as it relates to the form. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do here is to explain what are the components of a form. Every form has a label and an input. The label is what tells you what is going to be placed in this section, in this field, and the input is the type of information that this field accepts. So if you don't understand that, furthermore you understand in the video. So let's move forward. Now this break simply means after this name and the field for the name, there's going to be a breakdown. We are not going to continue horizontal. Instead we are going to come down for the next label and the next input tag. So we say BR, that's the tag for break. Then we say label for the contact. Then we put the input for the contact. Now as you can see here, the input type is text, but when it comes to the contact, the input type is not going to be text. We are going to be using a number because your contact is a set of number. So for now, let's ignore this name. It is not necessary. And we see label. So we shouldn't forget to put the break here, or else the form is going to look horizontal. And now we say the next thing is your email. And the break also. And we are going to give the input type email. So let's take a look at this. First of all, don't forget to save whenever you do a work. So I just press Ctrl S to save the changes, and then I right click and open in browser. So it's going to take some time to load in the browser so that we can see what we have actually written. So this is it. This is the form of this, the codes we have written. As you can see, there is less than sign. I think this is it, so we get rid of this. We display this like this. Save changes and we refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see here, between the name and the contact there is no space. That is because we did not break. So let's break. So that all the inputs will fall under the label. So okay, so this is how we want our form to look. So now whenever somebody enter their information, so as you can see here, this is for contact. If I try to write text, it will not go. I'm pressing some letters, it is not functioning because this is meant for numbers, not letters. Now the email, whatever you put here needs to end with the @gmail.com. Let it be an email. Now, having done this, you need a button that will submit this form to wherever you want it to go. So we are going to add a button that will submit. So this is how we do that. We'll just say input type submit. For the submit button, you don't need no label. So just refresh. It says submit. So what we want to do, we want to bring this submit button below here. What we do, we add a break tag here and save, change it, and refresh the page. Now the submit button is here. So when we enter information, and we click submit, you see in the information, please include an email. That is, this section must end with an email. So I'm going to write my email there. And now when we click submit, it should go. So that's how we make an HTML form. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you as a developer how to accept information from a form, so that when somebody posts in their information in your form, you will receive that information at the back end. So thank you for watching. If you are new around here, please subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you. Keep supporting this channel. I'm Crazy Dev. Goodbye, guys.